Good afternoon, everyone from the UK. This is Peter Jones. I want to talk about a practice which we could call crowd marketing, and in particular, whether or not this can help biointensive practices that exist around the world, but perhaps might be interested in cost-effective marketing capability. The first step is to find a biointensive WhatsApp group and join it. See what's happening there. Typically, there's a lot of sharing of articles that are related to biointensive agriculture, or it could be gardening. Obviously, in between, you've got market gardening as a sort of hybrid between the two. And because of that observation, we can assess marketplace common practice and look at what the interesting areas are and what kind of categories we could put items under. It may well be that we need to use language translation. We can offer to hold a quiz. Obviously, if we are going to have a quiz, we need to explain the rules, ask for entries, then we need to judge the entries, sticking to those rules. We should make sure we review rules regularly. The result of the competition we can publish on Twitter. Already spoken to one WhatsApp group about this, and they are certainly interested. So then we need to communicate with the community, get their feedback, ask them whether they feel that the marketing that they're getting on Twitter is helping. We would need to curate the winning entries, and that can be done on a software called Notion. We can also move these articles into Discord channels, which allow collaboration and more communal action. And there we can see people who are engaging more. It's always interesting to look at people who engage more rather than just focus on their immediate action that they need to carry out, which suggests people who have forward drive to lead in specific subject areas, topics, or activities. Then, having done all of that, we can write about all of that using something like Medium, or we can write about it in Discord or a combination, and then others can see how that real growth can be created. So the call to action for us is there a WhatsApp group interested in doing this? Would they help us with translation? The group that I know of mostly talks in Southern Indian dialect. Thank you very much.